Good morning, everyone. Yesterday you had learnt about exercise 2.2. Now move on. Some definitions, just like reciprocal of a fraction. Two fractions are said to be the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of each other if their product is 1. दो फ्रैक्शन का प्रोडक्ट यदि 1 आता हो तो प्रत्येक पार्ट को, जो वो दोनों पार्ट है, उस प्रत्येक पार्ट को हम एक दूसरे का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स बोलते हैं। जैसे कि एग्जांपल में यहाँ है कि 3/4 एंड 4/3 आर द रेसिप्रोकल्स ऑफ ईच अदर। 3/4 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा? उसका अपोजिट यानी 4/3। और ये इसलिए रेसिप्रोकल हो रहा है क्योंकि इसको जब हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमें जो आंसर आएगा वो क्या मिलेगा? 1 आएगा। 3/4 ही लिखेंगे और उसके बाद साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन। और 3/4 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होता है? अपोजिट करेंगे, नीचे वाला पार्ट ऊपर, ऊपर वाला पार्ट नीचे, यानी 4/3। और जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 4 कैंसिल और 3 भी कैंसिल, यानी आंसर जो आएगा वो 1 आएगा। तो रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ए फ्रैक्शन जो होगा उसमें क्या होता है? न्यूमरेटर पार्ट डिनोमिनेटर बन जाता है और डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट न्यूमरेटर बन जाता है। और ऐसा इसलिए किया जाता है ताकि हमारा प्रोडक्ट 1 आ सके। अब इसमें एक चीज़ नोट करने लायक है कि रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 0 डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट बिकॉज डिवीजन बाय 0 नॉट पॉसिबल। 0 का रेसिप्रोकल नहीं होता है क्योंकि डिवीज़न बाय 0 इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, क्योंकि हम किसी भी संख्या में 0 से डिवाइड नहीं करते हैं। 0 divided by any number it is correct, but any number divided by 0 it is not possible. Okay, that's why reciprocal of 0 does not exist. अब है next कि division of fractions. The division of a fraction a by b by a non-zero fraction c by d is defined as the product of a by b with the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of c by d. डिवीज़न ऑफ फ्रैक्शन में होते क्या है? जैसे एग्जांपल में है कि a बाई बी डिवाइडेड बाय c बाई डी। a बाई बी यू राइट द सेम एंड देन द साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड देन द reciprocal of c by d, it means d by c. So your form now changed, it means a by b into d by c. That's for division of fractions. Now move on. Exercise 2.3. Question number 1. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions and classify them as proper, improper and whole numbers. You have to do two works in this question. First work is to find its reciprocal. Just like example, question number 1, 3/7. 3/7. The reciprocal of 3/7 is 7/3. You write. And 7/3, if the upper part is greater than the denominator, you all know earlier video, if the upper part is greater than denominator, it is said to be improper fraction. So first work is find its reciprocal and then write its name, which fraction it represent. Okay. Question number 2, 5/8. The reciprocal of 5/8 is 8/5, as like question number first. 8/5, it means it is also improper fraction. Now move on. Question number 3, 9/7. The reciprocal of 9/7, 7/9. It means it is proper fraction. As same you can solve up to question number 5. And now move on. Question number 6, 1/8. The reciprocal of 1/8 is only 8. Only 8, because if the lower part is 1, it means there is no value of 1. It means 8/1. It is written as 8. It means 8 is a whole number. 8 is a whole number. Now move on. Question number 2 and 3. Question number 2, 3/8 by 5/9. 3/8 you write the same. In place of by you write the symbol of division. and then 5 by 9 as same, and in next step 3 by 8 into division sign change into multiplication sign, and then the reciprocal of 5 by 9 comes, it means 3 by 8 into 9 by 5. It means 9 3s are 27 and 8 5s are 40. So your answer is 27 by 40. As same you complete up to question number 4. Now move on. Question number 5. A wire of length 12:1 by meter is cut into 10 pieces of equal length. Find the length of each piece. The length of each piece, it means 12:1 by 2 divided by 10. Then you got the answer. Question number 6. The length of a rectangular plot of area 65 1 by 3 meter square is 12:1 by 4 meter. What is the width of the plot? So the formula you used, width is equal to area divided by length. Area divided by length. Then your answer will come. So your classwork of today, do question number 1 to question number 6. Now move on the homework portion. Question number 7. By what number should 6:2 by 9 be multiplied to get 4:4 by 9? You write 6:2 by 9 first, then sign of multiplication, and after that question mark is equal to 4:4 by 9. In next step, question mark you write the same, and the right part of equal to write first 4:4 by 9, and 6:2 by 9 goes right side, it becomes the sign of multiplication. 4:4 by 9 divide by 6:2 by 9, then your answer will come. Question number 8 also you do as same question number 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 को आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 के जैसा बना सकते हैं. इसमें भी वही कह रहा है कि द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स. तो द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स दिया गया है, यानी कि इक्वल टू के बाद वाला आपका आंसर जो है वो इसमें गिवन है 25:5 by 6, और इक्वल टू के लेफ्ट वाला पार्ट में दिया गया है कि 6:2 by 3 इंटू कोई नंबर नहीं उसके साथ. तो वो नंबर आप अपने से फिल कर सकते हैं, कोई भी अल्फ़ाबेटिकल लेटर भर सकते हैं A B C. तो A इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा 25:5 by 6 डिवाइड बाई 6:2 by 3. इस प्रकार आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. द कॉस्ट ऑफ 6:1 by 4 kg ऑफ एप्पल्स इज ₹400. एट वाट रेट पर kg आर द एप्पल्स बीइंग सोल्ड? क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है 6:1 by 4 kg का कॉस्ट ₹400 है. आपको निकालना है कि 1 kg का प्राइस क्या होगा. तो 1 kg का प्राइस क्या होगा ₹400 डिवाइडेड बाय 6:1 by 4 kg. देन फाइनल आंसर विल कम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 ये भी क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 के ही जैसा है. और क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. इन मिड डे मील स्कीम 3/10 liter of milk is given to each student of a primary school. If 30 liters of milk is distributed every day in the school, how many students are there in the school? The number of students are there in the school is equal to 30 divided by 3/10. 30 write the same. In place of divide you write multiply sign. Then it becomes 10 by 3. 3 10 ja 30 or 10 10 ja 100. It means your answer will come 100 students. Now question number 12. In a charity show, ₹6,496 were collected by selling some tickets. If the price of each ticket was ₹50:3 by 4, how many tickets were sold? So the number of tickets were sold is equal to ₹6,496 divided by 50:3 by 4. Then your final answer will come. So the classwork of today, do exercise 2.3 question number 1 to 6, and the homework of today question number 7 to question number 12. Complete all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.